Hi everyone, today I'm gonna walk you through quickly how to create survey using qualtrics. So these are the questions, two questions with one sub question here. And this is where what you will get once you log in and start a project, publish a project. So first, I would like to name this block online learning experiences. Because if you look at the questions, they're asking you about your level of experience with online learning and satisfaction with the certain aspects of online learning experiences. And I'll add new question here. And first question is multiple choice question. So I'll click multiple choice. And I will change it to question 1. And I'll simply copy paste this question here, asking what would you describe your experience with online learning? Oh, how would you? And I'll simply copy paste the options here by clicking and then Control V. Okay, so you get this very quickly. But then another thing that this question is asking for is to add display logic. So it shows that you want to show this question only if no experience is selected in question 1. So in order to do that, you can add new question, which enables you to add text entry and then change it as question 1-1 and change the question so that, and then you can readjust the size. I'll make it very small. And then you can click here and then right click, and then you'll see the button saying add display logic. So if you click, you'll see that display this question only if the following condition is met. So if the question is question number 1 and the choice is no experience. So if the participant select no experience for the previous question, they'll be guided to this question. Okay. And then last question, you want to make a matrix because you want to rate 1 to 5 based on your satisfaction level on 4 aspects of your learning experience. So I'll click new, add new question, select matrix table. And this is my second question. And I'll again copy paste the question that I want to ask. And as you can see, there are only 3 choices, but if you look at here, you can add the number of statements. And again, you can just simply copy paste these questions here. Okay. And then another thing that you can do is to automatically fill out the scale points. So first of all, you want 1 to 5 scale points. So you can click a plus button 2 times to make 5 scale points. And then you can also use the suggested scale points. So my scale is not about agreeing, but about satisfaction. So I'll click this one. And also I want people to have different order in terms of the aspects of their online learning experiences. So I'll click here, right click, and then I'll see the randomization. And if I click the display answers in random order, the participants will get the answers in random order. And also I want everyone to answer this question. So I'll go down and add requirements and force the response. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you.